Capacitors are components that store and release electrical energy in an electronic circuit. Capacitors play a few vital roles in various circuits, from smoothing out fluctuations in voltage to timekeeping in watches, and from filtering noise to storing power temporarily. A capacitor is typically composed of two conductive plates separated by an insulating material called a dielectric. Electrical voltage is applied to charge the capacitor, and once it's charged, it holds the energy until discharged. The ability of a capacitor to store charge is measured in farads, and capacitors can vary widely in their capacitance values based on their intended use in an electrical circuit. And here's a couple of key facts about capacitors. One, function is to store and release electrical power. 2, the unit of measurement is in farads. And 3, the role used in filtering, timing, and energy storage.